In this video, we are going to subtract mixed numbers with regrouping. So here we have two mixed numbers, different denominators. So we will need to find the least common multiple, or the least common denominator. You can see I've done the first 5 multiples of both denominators. If we had to go on, we certainly could. But it looks like 24 is the least common multiple. So we are going to find equivalent fractions for our fractions using our new denominator. 12 times 2 is 24. 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 3 is 24. 1 times 3 equals 3. We have ourselves a little bit of an issue here. We can't take 3 24ths away from 2 24ths. 3 24ths is larger. So we are going to have to borrow. And the only place that you can borrow from is the whole number. So we are going to take 1 from the 3. That leaves 2. And we are giving 2 24ths 1. So that means we can't just put a little tiny 1 next to the 2. No, we are giving it 1. We're giving it a whole number. In fact, let's think of a big giant 1 that we could combine with 2 24ths. Well, looking at the 24ths, I think I'll go ahead and put 24 24ths as my big giant 1. Now we can combine those. 2 plus 24 is 26. Now our top fraction is nice and chunky. We are definitely able to subtract now. Now let's not be worried that it's an improper fraction. That's okay. It's not going to be that once we're done subtracting, but for now we need it nice and big. So we now need to subtract. Well, let's not forget what we're subtracting. We are subtracting the two fractions there, and yeah, they're not lined up right now, so you got to be careful, but we are going to subtract 26 24ths and 3 24ths, and that gives us 23 24ths. We're also going to subtract our whole numbers. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So you can see I did not put a whole number in this particular problem, but in other problems, obviously, there could be. Now, the final thing we need to make sure we do is to simplify our fraction. 23 and 24 are consecutive numbers, therefore it is already simplified.